We say goodbye when there is death. Nagpapaalam tayo kapag may namatay. From my personal experience, merong mga namatay. Namatay yung panganay namin sa pamilya. Namatay yung mga kamag-anak namin. In our culture, namatay yung Pope. Namatay yung mga iilang artista. And recently, we celebrated the death of Jesus. In Luke chapter 24, verses 30 to 35, there were two disciples walking to Emmaus, walking away from Jerusalem. And as if this is their goodbye because of Jesus' death. But Jesus shows up and walks with them. He doesn't say goodbye. He shows up and he says hello. His death is not goodbye. The death of Jesus is not the end of the story. Actually, there's no end with Jesus. There's no end with God. And his death is not the time for us to walk away. Jesus says, not goodbye, but he says to us, hello. Same thing with the disciples, same thing with us. To us, to you in your situation. Maybe death in the family, marital issues, difficulties in career, challenges in your relationships, in your friendships, family, or workplaces. Let's remember this. God is not dead. Jesus is alive. He is risen. He walks with us. He walks with you in your journey. And he talks to us, just like he interpreted the scriptures to the two disciples. He talks to us, and he is present in the Eucharist or Mass. For Jesus Christ, there's no end. There's no period, but commas. There's no goodbye with Jesus Christ. Only hellos. When there is death, when there's difficulty, when there are trials, when there are problems, there's no goodbye. We don't walk away. Because Jesus is alive. He is risen. There are no goodbyes, only hellos. Amen.